Elsewhere, the Inspector General of the National Police Service has given boda-boda riders a stern warning over the lawlessness that they display and engage in, even in broad daylight. This follows recent incidents that have seen victims of accidents involving boda-boda riders assaulted and even, in some instances, have their vehicles burnt. Anita Nkonge looks at the long-standing headache that the government is still grappling with and seems to be too hot to handle, even for the tough-talking Interior CS, Fred Matiang'i.
They buzz past and away, going about their business. Boda-bodas providing services but also riding on the border of anarchy, sometimes well into that zone. They will skip the red lights, ride on the wrong sides of the roads, get involved in accidents and gang up against and attack the motorists. In some cases, they burn their vehicles, even when they're on the wrong. The Inspector General of Police, Hilary Mtembai, has, quote, cautioned all boda-boda riders and operators against such uncouth and uncivilized manner of addressing issues. The police boss insisted that the riders must follow all traffic regulations and laws of public order and decency, failure to which one would be dealt with adequately. In a 2019 study done by the National Crimes and Research Center, boda-boda operators were categorized as a national security threat. The study indicates that crimes committed by the operators included causing death by dangerous riding, general stealing, break of public order, and creating disturbances, as well as assault. IG Mtembai began his statement by saying that the attention of the police service has been drawn to an emerging culture of impunity and lawlessness among boda-boda riders, posing a great risk to public safety and security. However, this is not an emerging culture as claimed by the IG. If anything, it's a headache that the government seems to be unable to medicate itself of for years. In 2018, a task force dedicated to come up with a way forward on the boda-boda menace was put together. In 2019, it presented a draft report to the Ministry of Interior. To date, the report is yet to be released to the public. Many hope that the tough-talking Super Cabinet Secretary Fred Matiang'i would tame the anarchy on two wheels.
I want them to know across the country, boda-boda riders, that in us, they are very strong supporters on one condition, that they operate in an orderly manner and that they follow the law and guidelines that we shall give at the end of the work of that task force.
But not much has been done to rein in the boda-boda culture of impunity, years and threats later. If anything, they continue to record the highest increase in deaths on the roads. Between January 1st and the 27th of 2021, 112 people have died in motorcycle accidents, compromising 89 riders and 23 passengers. In the same period in 2020, 91 fatalities were recorded, comprising of 59 riders and 32 passengers. This is according to the data by the National Transport and Safety Authority. The police service now says it will map out the hotspots where such incidences have or likely to occur and undertake a major operation to address the problem. Anita Nkonge, NTV.